Dr. Purnajita Singh. I'm a yoga coach with Fitter and a yoga athlete. Today we'll learn 5 basic yogic postures specially designed for beginners. So let's get started. The first posture is named as GOMUKHASANA and this is from sitting category. Extend your legs. Now fold one leg over another. Right now my left leg is on top, so I should raise my left hand and place your right hand back and lock it. Hold there for 10 count with normal breathing. Relax. The second posture is named as PASCHIMOTTANASANA and this is from the category of forward bending. Move lateral side, straight your legs, straight your spine. Now extend your arms in upward direction, bend forward, touch your toe fingers and attach your upper body with your legs. Hold there for 10 seconds with normal breathing. Relax. The next posture is under twisting category named as BAKASANA. Extend both of your legs. Now fold your left leg over your straight right leg. Now place your right hand in front of the folded leg. Touch your right leg and move in the left side. Hold there for 10 count with normal breathing. Relax. The next yogic posture is known as BHADHAKONASANA. This is extremely efficient for leg stretching purpose. So place both of your legs and joint it together in your pelvic area. Now straight your spine, extend your arms, place it over your knees. Stay there up to 10 count with normal breathing. Relax. The last yogic posture is known as USHTRASANA. This is under back bending category. Move in the lateral side. Stand on your knees. Now place both of your hands over your heel. Bend back side along with your neck. Hold there for 10 count with normal breathing. Relax. All these postures are equally effective to maintain a good physiological function and sound mental health. It also helps to improve your posture and equilibrium. So I hope you all enjoyed today's postures. Practice regularly and be healthy.